The two retaining walls create this space right here, perfect for some plantings, and well, we've got plantings going in all over the place. Jen, Fred, how are you guys?
Hey, Kevin.
A lot of industry today on
Well,
this
it's
job site.
planting day, so Fred and I are just reviewing the plans. Here's the dogwood, and then continuing down the line, we have, these are all the transplanted roses that we saved from the beginning of the project.
Nice.
I inserted a new tree here. It's a ginkgo tree. I thought it needed a little bit of height. And then continuing down this way, we have a hedgerow of boxwood. And then when cars come down the street, the headlights shine right in. So I put screening trees. These are Western arborvitae. They're gonna eventually grow together and create a green wall and really block and help and give a little privacy. But they didn't come in this load. So our colleague, Lee Gilliam, is delivering them for us.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. Lee, how are you, man?
Good, Kevin. How are you?
I'm doing all right. Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Hi,
Thank
Fred.
you.
How you doing?
Thanks for that.
No worries. Hey, Fred. Good to see you.
So, what do you think of our Lexington project?
A lot going on.
A lot going on.
A lot going on.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And we got more going on now that you brought us a truckload of arborvitaes.
Yeah, you want to help?
I'm here. Let's go. We'll get it done.
So what we need to do is take the tarp off, we'll unload them, place them, and then maybe you and I get them in.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thanks. Good. How's it look from that angle?
It looks really good.
Okay. Let's start digging.
I want to go as deep as the root ball itself, like
Right.
16 inches.
Yep.
But I'd like to go wide, really wide, and then we'll fill it back in with this good loom that
So
we
the
have.
roots could reach.
Correct. Exactly. So what I
Perfect.
do is I take like a stick like that.
Yep.
That is good.
All right.
Good.
So now that the arborvitaes are in,
Yes.
and I have a few extra pair of hands, I want to get these roses in the ground.
All right.
Okay, so these actually lived in the front before the project began. We dug them up, we healed them in. Good night, little one. See you in 7 months. Now it's time to transplant them back. So what I want to do is place them.
Okay.
I'd like to just stagger them and lay them gently. When we're digging our holes, do our twice as wide.
Yes.
Whenever I transplant any flowering shrub, I like to add organic soil to get them started.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll just mix it right in. That looks pretty good.
That's a great fit. Nice. Yeah.
I like how this is sitting in the hole. The roots are very rigid.
Yeah.
I'm not going to bend them. I'm going to just backfill around them.
It looks great.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you some of this, okay?
All right. We'll mix it all together.
Yep.
Since the roots are really rigid,
Yeah.
there's going to be a lot of air pockets.
Sure.
So I'm not compacting the soil, but gently pushing it in around. Because the first watering, if there's a big air pocket, it's just the soil's just going to
Correct.
wash out, right?
Yes.
All right. That is starting to look good.
Not bad.
It's looking amazing.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.